Hey there! Welcome to Beautyistic. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're talking about something that can truly elevate your eye makeup game, the Jane Iredale PurePressed Eye Shadow Triple in the color Sweet Spot. If you're someone who loves a pigmented, crease-resistant, and long-lasting eyeshadow that's gentle enough for sensitive eyes, then this product might just be your next go-to. Let's dive into what makes this eyeshadow stand out. First off, Jane Iredale is a brand that's all about clean beauty, and this particular eyeshadow trio is no exception. It's mineral-based, meaning it's formulated without harsh chemicals, making it a great choice if you're looking for a more natural option. The powder comes in a compact with 3 highly pigmented shades designed to create versatile, flattering looks with just a few swipes. One of the things I appreciate about this eyeshadow is its blendability. Whether you're going for a soft, everyday look or something more dramatic, it blends effortlessly without patchiness. The shimmer finish is beautiful too. It adds just the right amount of glow without being overly glittery. It's perfect for achieving a subtle yet radiant look, especially for those with sensitive eyes who want something that won't irritate them. Now, let's talk about how it performed in real life. I've used this eyeshadow on several occasions. For work, a night out, and even during a long day of filming. The best part? It stayed put. No creasing, fading, or smudging throughout the day. Even after hours of wear, it looked just as fresh as when I first applied it. So if you're someone who needs something that can handle a busy schedule, this is definitely a solid option. As for the texture, the powder is smooth and finely milled. You can use a brush or even your fingers to apply it, and it just melts onto the eyelid with no effort at all. I love how easy it is to build up the color. You can layer it for more intensity or use a light hand for a more subtle effect. It's that versatile. Of course, no product is perfect, and there are a couple of things to consider. First, while the pigmentation is great, it's not quite as bold as some other high-end eyeshadows I've tried. If you prefer a really intense pop of color, this might not be your ideal pick. Also, depending on your skin tone, the shades may appear slightly different on your eyelids, but that's pretty common with most eyeshadows. As for the price, Jane Iredale products are typically on the higher end, but considering the quality, I think this is worth the splurge. You're paying for a clean formula that's safe for sensitive eyes and that performs really well throughout the day. If you're into makeup that doubles as skincare, this is a great investment. Comparing it to other eyeshadow trios on the market, I'd say it's a bit pricier than drugstore alternatives. However, the ingredients are more gentle and the performance justifies the cost. You can find similar mineral-based shadows, but they often lack the same level of pigmentation or wear time. When it comes to build quality, I love the sleek compact it comes in. It's sturdy and compact enough to toss into your makeup bag without worrying about it breaking. It's a product that's built to last, and I'm confident that it'll be with you for the long haul. Now, in terms of customer support, I haven't had to reach out to Jane Iredale personally, but their reputation for excellent customer service is well known in the beauty industry. They're always responsive, and I've heard that they're quick to resolve any issues should you need assistance. As for product alternatives, if the price is a concern, there are other mineral eyeshadows at a lower price point, but they may not offer the same blendability or wear time. You could consider brands like Bare Minerals or Alima Pure if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option. To wrap it up, the Jane Iredale PurePressed Eye Shadow Triple in Sweet Spot is a fantastic product for those who want a clean, high-quality eyeshadow that's easy to blend, long-lasting, and safe for sensitive eyes. While it might not be the most intense in pigmentation, it offers a beautiful, natural shimmer and performs really well throughout the day. If this review was helpful to you, make sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future reviews. Your support helps us keep making honest content like this for all the beauty lovers out there. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you've used this eyeshadow, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.